What if I told you most designers don't struggle with creativity, they struggle with laptops that freeze the moment CAD software gets heavy? Today, I'll fix that. Welcome to the channel where we break down the top 5 best laptop for CAD software so you never lose progress again. Check the links below to grab your perfect powerhouse. And number 5 is ASUS ROG Strix G16. What if I told you most designers waste hours waiting for CAD software to render because their laptops just can't keep up? That's where the ASUS ROG Strix G16 shines. It's a game changer for anyone serious about 3D modeling, architectural design, or mechanical projects. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU with DLSS4 and Max-Q technologies, this laptop handles complex CAD files with zero lag, giving instant relief and peace of mind during high-stakes projects. The 32GB DDR5 600 MHz memory paired with 1TB PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drive ensures seamless multitasking and fast storage access. The ultra-fast 240Hz 3-millisecond ROG Nebula display delivers crisp visuals, while advanced cooling keeps everything running smooth and quiet. As compared with others, it may be pricey, but for students or professionals seeking reliable, top-tier performance, it's a smart investment at $2,395.93, perfect for those who demand speed, precision, and comfort under pressure. At number 4 is Acer ConceptD Seven. What if I told you the biggest bottleneck in CAD work isn't your skill, it's your laptop choking under heavy project loads? That's where the Acer ConceptD Seven shines as our secret weapon. With the 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750 H6 core processor reaching up to 4.5 GHz, 16GB DDR4 memory, and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. This machine moves through intense modeling, rendering, and drafting sessions like a hot knife through butter. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6GB GDR6 VRAM delivers detailed visuals and stable performance for 3D environments. The 15.6-inch 4K Ultra HD Pantone-validated display covering 100% Adobe RGB ensures colors and details stay true, ideal for precision CAD work. Compared with others, ConceptD Seven might be bulkier and more expensive, but its stability and creative power offer real peace of mind. Keyboard and connectivity are solid. Price at $3,499 might seem steep, but for CAD students or pros who demand reliability and detail under pressure, this laptop is truly worth it. On number 3 is Nmybwo Business Laptop PC. Did you know most beginners struggle with CAD not because of the software, but because their laptops stutter the moment a project gets detailed? That's where the Nmybwo Business Laptop PC instantly feels like relief. Its 17.3-inch IPS display gives you the space and clarity you need, and that Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, boosting up to 3.6 GHz, runs noticeably smoother than what you usually find at this level. As compared with others, this one delivers a calmer, cleaner workflow for drafting and designing. Even if it's not meant for heavy simulations, the real win is how stable and dependable it feels for everyday CAD tasks, something we always highlight when a device proves itself in real-world use. At $499.90, it's a smart, confidence-boosting pick for students or new professionals who want power, simplicity, and peace of mind without stretching their budget. At number 2 is THEYETI Two-in-One Laptop. Did you know most CAD beginners lose more time to laggy laptops than to the software itself? That's why the THEYETI Two-in-One Laptop instantly feels like a breath of relief. Its 16GB double data rate for memory and 1TB solid-state drive make multitasking fast, while the 15.6-inch full high-definition IPS touchscreen gives you the clarity and control every designer wants. The Intel Core i3-1215U processor, boosted up to 4.4 GHz, stays impressively steady with its intelligent cooling system, offering smoother performance as compared with other